Time and technology will change everything, and nowadays, every organization all over the world is looking for new and innovative ways of doing work. It doesn't matter whether they are small manufacturers or big organizations, all of them are looking for solutions that can increase their productivity at a lower cost. According to a market survey, the engineering services outsourcing industry is one of the fastest growing industries with a current market size of $1.3 trillion and growing continuously at a CAGR of 22.9%. Every organization wants to grow their productivity and market value, and to do this, they face many challenges, but one key factor that everyone faces is with their product, machinery design and development. And I tell you why it is so, because many times your design engineers do not understand your desire completely, what values you are trying to build into your product, or if they understand, they lack the skills and knowledge to mold it as expected. Or your design engineer leaves the organization and now you are, again, in search of a new engineer. After hiring, you repeat the same cycle of training, learning and rapport development. Many times, you hire a wrong candidate who doesn't fit into your organization's culture and the cycle repeats again. To overcome these challenges, CAD2CAE was born. CAD2CAE is a platform where manufacturers from any industrial vertical come and find all their business needs related to product and machinery design and development all in one place. We offer a wide range of services such as drafting, 3D modeling, CAD conversions, product analysis, process design, innovative solutions, project management, case studies, industrial collaboration, and many more, where each service is headed by a domain expert. We not only offer services to our clients, but we also launch new innovative products and solutions to the market according to industrial requirements. For example, currently we are working on agriculture mechanization, 3D printing, developing methods to use hydrogen as a fuel and reducing its production costs, solar applications, and a new type of IC engine which has overall efficiency far better than engines running as of today. All of our engineers work by keeping the 4D principles in their minds. Those are desire, discipline, dedication, and direction, so that we can enable our clients to leverage global efficiency with a great value to price ratio. We proudly say we are working towards development to discover the uncovered paths for establishing a new benchmark of excellence in the field of industrial product design and development.